Professionals usually have to develop report of their work, or simply they should to organize their ideas to express the message to the specific readers. This message must be connected and structured in a logical way, and these ideas should be easy to understand for the readers. Therefore, the professional has to use the linking words to drag out the information that he wants to communicate to the target public. So, the most basic linking words used are the sequence connectors, and this is useful to describe the logical order between events, situations, or ideas, defining the introduction of the message, the sequence of the action, and the conclusion. Examples of this sequence connector are: firstly, first of all, to introduce the situation; secondly, there, after, next, then, so, to sequence the ideas; finally, in conclusion, to the end the situation.
So, when you want to tell a situation to another person, you can say, I was walking around the street number 6. I see her walk around. I looked her beautiful body. I feel so nervous. I got courage. I said here, I want to tell you that I falling in love for you. She said me I love you too. If you tell it this way, the person that is listening won't understand you, and probably he'll think that you don't now speak. So you must use the sequence connectors to organize your idea. Yesterday I was walking on the street number 6. Then I saw her walking around the street. So do you know what I feel in this moment? Firstly, I looked her perfect body, and I thought, this girl is for me. Next, I went to talk with her. I feel so nervous, but I got courage. After, I faced her and I said, I want to tell you that I was falling in love for you. I love you. Finally, she said me, I love you too. Very different, true? So, this example shows that the sequence connectors are necessary in all the contexts where you want to communicate a message. An important thing: when you use the sequence connectors, always you have to use a comma after the word. In conclusion, the sequence connectors are the most used linking words, are easy to understand, and are a simple way to give a message to another person. So this word will be more easy your life.
Created using Powtoon.